Cordless drills are used in almost every DIY and home improvement project. But do you really know how to maximize its effectiveness? It takes more than just fitting the bit and pulling the trigger. This is Jorge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. This is Bosch GSR 120Li, Professional Cordless Drill and Driver. This product includes 2 units of battery, 12 volt 1.5 ampere hour lithium-ion. One unit of charger, and a carrying case. Let me explain to you some of the basic features and functions of this Bosch GSR 120Li Professional Cordless Drill and Driver. This is 2-speed planetary gearbox, optimized torque for screwdriving and speed for drilling. Gear 1, Gear 2. Gear 1, low speed, high torque, and is best for driving screws. Gear 2, high speed, low torque, is meant for drilling or driving fastness. Technically, for first gear, maximum no-load speed of 400 RPM with a maximum torque of 30 Nm. For second gear, maximum no-load speed of 1500 RPM with a maximum torque of 14 Nm. Every cordless drill has a forward and reverse control. This is the sliding switch that indicates and changes the direction. Forward, reverse. By setting the switch to the center position, this will auto-lock the tool. Do you know that Bosch GSR 120Li comes with variable speed for easy and precise control over the RPM? Not forgetting the LED light to illuminate your working area. This is Autolock chuck with a minimum capacity of 0.8 mm and maximum 10 mm. Next, we are going to talk about the maximum drilling diameter. In wood, 20 mm. In steel, 10 mm. Maximum screw diameter, 8 mm. Do you still remember the term variable depth setting that I have used in my previous video for cordless drill? It is the same as clutch setting. Let me show you in detail what is clutch setting. The clutch setting is the most important feature in screwdriving. You will see a list of numbers from 1 to 10 and to 20. These are used to set the clutch to deliver a certain torque range. The higher the number on the collar, the higher the torque, and the larger the fastener that can be driven. To adjust the clutch, align the arrow to a lower setting and start driving a screw. Let's start with dial number 1. If there's too much resistance, the clutch will disengage the motor. Let's go for dial number 10. Maximum dial 20. Can you see the difference? Next, let me show you how to set the drill into drilling mode. Can you see the drill icon over here? Rotate the dial until the arrow is aligned with the icon and you are ready to make a drill. However, please do remember that for Bosch GSR 120Li, it does not come with a hammer drill function. This is a keyless chuck. To install drill and driver bits, you need to open the chuck wide enough so that you can slide in the bit. Rotate the chuck in the closed position, as indicated here. A keyless chuck is meant to only be hand tightened. Hi, thank you for watching my video, and I hope that all of you already have a very good understanding on some of the basic features and functions of Bosch GSR 120Li Professional Cordless Drill and Driver. Make sure you are able to maximize its effectiveness. In the upcoming video, I'm gonna go a little bit more deeper into the machine. Stay tuned and I'll see you. Bye bye for now.